Alright guys, so this afternoon I'm going to talk to you about Lincoln Park, north end of Fairmont here. Adopt the Park program. The flower beds between the large arbor and North Avenue. That is so cool. I see a gentleman out here watering and taking care of these flowers all the time. I've not had an opportunity to swing in. So there's the arbor there. All these guy does an awesome job. People have their weddings, and there's a shelter house have birthdays in. So, if you're ever out here and you see a gentleman watering